In the world of lions, only the strongest survive. But some don't just survive. They become legends. Scarface and Notch, two names etched in the heart of Africa. But only one of them was the true king. Scarface, known for the deep scar above his eye, was one of the most iconic lions ever seen in the Serengeti. With his brothers, Morani, Hunter, and Sikio, he formed the legendary Marsh Pride coalition and ruled a vast territory. Scarface was a warrior in every sense. Fights, blood, and wounds were part of his daily life. He defended his pride and land with unmatched brutality. But such a violent life came with a price. In 2021, weakened and alone, Scarface died, battle-worn and scarred to the very end. On the other hand, Notch was a completely different story. He was the leader of the famous Coalition of Five in the Masai Mara. Unlike Scarface, Notch wasn't known for his scars, but for his mind. He ruled with strategy, unity, and minimal bloodshed. He and his sons expanded their territory with precision, not chaos. And in the end, Notch died peacefully, old, respected, and undefeated. Now imagine these two legends meeting on a ruthless savanna. On one side, Scarface, wounded, fierce, with a roar that shakes the ground. On the other side, Notch, silent, focused, with eyes that seem to predict the entire battlefield. Scarface is the kind of lion who attacks head-on, mercilessly, without fear. But Notch knows when to wait, and when to strike. In a quick clash, Scarface might have the advantage. He is stronger, more brutal. But in a long war, Notch plays better. He doesn't fight just to kill, he fights to survive. Scarface can take over territory with his power, but Notch can hold it with his intelligence. This is a battle between raw strength and animal cunning. Between a flame that burns fast, and a fire that burns slow but steady. In the end, the true king is the one who lasts longer, who leaves a deeper mark. And that's what made Notch a different kind of legend. In the end, being king isn't just about how hard you fight, it's about how long you last, how far you lead, and how deep your story stays in history. So now it's your turn. Who do you think was the true king of the wild? Scarface or Notch? Let me know in the comments.